CSS Crash Course. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. CSS is a styling language used to control the appearance of HTML elements on web pages. To get started, go and open your Visual Studio Code. Now open your HTML project that you want to style. If you want to add CSS to your HTML project, simply add the style tag between the head and body sections of your HTML document. CSS syntax follows a specific pattern where the selector identifies which section of the HTML you want to edit, such as paragraphs, body, or other HTML elements, while the property specifies which aspect inside that section you want to modify, like the text content of a paragraph. Inside your CSS, you can edit various styling properties using specific syntax. Use background color to edit the background, text align to adjust paragraph alignment, font family to change the font style, and color to modify font color. For paragraph editing specifically, use font size to adjust text size by pixels and color to change font color. When styling images, use width to control image width and height to adjust image height.